Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply awkward face effect to your video in Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have edited my video to the project and then I'm going to apply the awkward face to this video. So we need to go to the effects menu and we're going to select the body effect, and in this body effect we need to choose the mood category right here, and then we're going to search for the awkward face. Oops, wait, I'm still searching for the effect. Okay guys, this is for the awkward face, and then I'm going to apply this effect to my video like this. And this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to apply this awkward face effect to our video in Filmora. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.